Guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel once again. If today is the first time I'm coming across this channel, you're highly welcome. My name is Faith. All I do here is testing and revealing an app where you can actually earn extra income online. In today's video, I'm going to be revealing this app, and I'm also going to share my honest experience about this new app called Sohha. So disclaimer, this video is for educational purpose only. I am not sponsored by Sohha App, and this video is based on my personal experience. I don't guarantee any. Any depend on your activities on the app or your regions. Okay, make sure you do your own research before wasting your time or investing your money in any online app. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about this app. As I said before, this app called Sohha. What you are going to be learning here is how to join an agency, how to choose your right task to do. This is what you are going to be learning here. Now, all you need to do is for you to head over to the Play Store and search for this app, as you can see on my screen. But before rushing to go to Play Store and download it, make sure you listen to this video so that when you log in on the app, you will not get confused, because without joining an agency, without doing the right things, you will not be able to tax on this platform. Now, I have logged in on this platform already, and this is how you're going to be seeing it. As you can see, they have party and they also have live streaming. Okay, so as I said before, either you join party or either you join live streaming. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can able to join an agency on this particular app. All you need to do is for you to click on my agency. If you click on Sohha agency, it's going to bring it to this stuff. As you can see, video room. This is for agency that is hiring video host. Okay, if you want to stream, if you want to do live stream or voice, is okay. It depends on your choice. But before you can actually click on apply to join an agency, make sure you have already know the agency you're about to apply with. Okay, make sure you know your agency is very important. Now you can see that you need to go ahead and edit your profile picture, edit it, add your profile picture, because you're going to do self verification. Bear it in mind that as a video host, you're going to get reward on this particular app. You're going to get reward, but I don't really know much about voice host, that is audio. I don't really know much, but what I have applied is live streaming. Okay, because they get newbie reward. Okay, that's the reason why I apply for it, because I'm looking for a way to earn here. Okay, so now you can see that they actually have PK, like people that love to live streaming, doing PK on different app. This app is actually very good. For what I saw, is very though it's a new app, but updates can change. That's the reason why I advise you that before you can click to join an agency, make sure you know the particular agency you want to join. And this is how the party looks like. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you how you can actually perform your tax. I'm already an agency now. Now you can see my agency, my room, and reference. You can see point. The point is what you're going to be here. Okay, and the point is the one they're going to withdraw here. You can see I still on zero level because I'm a new on this platform. Like now, I'm going to show you how you can actually do your tax. All you need to do is for you see this live option here. You need to click on it. Sorry, I'm going to be covering here because I don't even have like recording this, but as you can see, live streaming application, rename and verification. Now you need to go under verification for you to perform your tax. You see, you need to upload your cover photo. Okay, I'm looking for a cover photo I want to upload. Now I'm going to be covering my gallery. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pick one picture that I want to use for cover photo. Then I would definitely upload it. Then it's going to appear. It's still loading, but it's gonna appear like this. Then as you can see, upload your selfie. You need to open your camera and and take photo of yourself. Then you will still upload it. Note, when doing all of that, make sure you are in a good looking and also light environment to avoid rejection. Okay, so because once they reject you, you cannot be able to perform your task. Okay, now you can see hi, like there is a word they are going to show you on this place. That is like a hi, good day, how are you doing? They want you to say it. Okay, you're going to record yourself here for 15 minutes, and they want you to say a word. Like once you click on this upload a video, you're going to notice that on the down like this. I don't know how I can actually point because I've already left that particular site, you're going to see an award. They're going to like, hi, how are you doing? How is your day? Nice to meet you. How are you doing? Like all this stuff. Okay. So they want you to say it with your mouth. Okay. So make sure you read this thing and say it with your mouth. As you can see, once you did everything correct, you're gonna start earning 56,000 points for hour. Okay, so but once maybe you didn't do it well, you can earn 28,000 per hour. This is how the reward looks like, and I'm still doing my verification, though I'm going to go ahead and re-edit this particular video I'm doing now. I'm going to go ahead and re-edit it because I don't think it's perfect because I don't have light, and when I'm recording this video is actually night. Okay, so I'm still uploading the video. I don't know how this video is going to look like, but I'm just praying that they can accept this one. But if they don't accept it, I can still reapply again. But I want to do it neat. Okay, do it neat. Make sure you are in a good looking, wear clothes that covers your body. Like just make sure you look nice on the camera. Say things they tell you to say. Then record yourself for 15 minutes, like I said before. Like make sure you do it perfectly in order for you to qualify for 56,000 point. Imagine 56,000 point, okay, per hour. Okay, but if maybe you did it, I don't know, but actually if you have low quality, I think they might give you 28,000 point per hour. Okay, but make sure you do it on the rightful way. Make sure you do it on the afternoon. Do not do it on the night. Maybe you are watching this video in the night. Please do not download and register than unless you have light. But if you have light, you're good to go. But I will encourage you to download this particular app in the afternoon time so that when you do your verification, it will be successful and you can also stream it immediately. Okay, so and I think the newbie reward lasts for 7 days, though I'm still doing my newbie tax. That is why I'm sharing this particular app. Okay, so I'm still uploading the video. Let me know if they can actually accept it. Let me know if they can actually accept it. Okay. You see the word I tell you that you must to read on the camera for 10 to 15 minutes self-introduction. As you can see, hi, good to see you. How's your day? As you can see, we will select outstanding streamer based on the video. If you rated S or A, you will unlock a generous reward streamer rewards earning 56,000 or 28,000 point per hour. Is depend on how you introduce yourself. Okay. Okay, now I have successfully uploaded that video cover photo and I need to come back to the app again. Okay, people are still streaming Philippines and Indonesia and other countries as well. Okay, now let me go back here and show you how to run this app step by step. Okay, note this is a new app and updates can change at any time. If you want to go audio party, you can go. If you want to go live streaming, you can go. Already, once you have accepted on the streamer application, then you can actually go live as well. Now, let us move to the point how you can actually withdraw in case you earn on this app. As you can see, add payment channel. As you can see, they have different country like Ethiopia, France, Ghana, Italy, India, Indonesia, I think Jordan, and also Netherlands and Nigeria. You can see USDT. Okay, you can use your USDT wallet too. As you can see, agent and platform. You need to add your name, add in your phone number, and add in your USDT wallet address. Okay, so make sure you add all of that before you can click on save. Okay, click on save. Anytime you want to withdraw, go ahead and cross check your payment method again to know if it is right. Like now, if you want to withdraw with Naira Bank, okay, Nigeria Bank, that's your local currency, you can actually withdraw with that. You need to add your bank name and make sure you fill the information correctly. The minimum you can withdraw here is 560k, okay? And 560k is $10 and the 20 USD is 1.1 million points that you're going to withdraw. For instance, you want to withdraw with agency, be very careful, okay? We're withdrawing with agency, and I not advise anyone to withdraw with agency unless you want. Okay, maybe you want to withdraw with agency, you can click on agency, but before you withdraw in agency, make sure you know the agency you're about to withdraw to avoid loss. Okay, but if you want to withdraw your things safely, they have time that you can withdraw your money. You can see on the screen. I'm going to make sure I highlight something here. I can see open every Monday, GMT plus 3, depends on your time, your location. Make sure you always check this. You see this notification button like this. Make sure you always check it. Any whenever you want to withdraw to know the time they want to withdraw. Like one click on withdraw. Maybe it is Monday they tell you on your region, or Saturday. On Saturday you will say that it's not good. You make sure you look at the screen very well and read the instruction they give you there. Okay. Okay, you can see live recording. Like once you keep on receiving reward on your live stream, it's going to start recording here. Okay, this is how you can actually withdraw successfully on this particular app without having any problem. Notes, either you apply for video live or voice live. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.